Namaste, my YouTube family. Welcome back. And today I'm sharing with you an example that how this manifestation work by using this, because many of you like my that grape juice video example in which I have given that video. So I am here gonna share more in much more detail so you can understand it much more clear way that how this manifestation work, especially in love relationship area. Okay, so here first you need to understand that you are like this pure, your consciousness, okay, your mind, okay, when you were born, okay, you were like this, completely pure. There's no impurity in it, nothing there, completely pure, full of abundance, ready for amazing, incredible love and relationship, completely like this, pure. Okay, at that time you are completely ready for great abundance, you are completely ready for great relationship, you are completely ready for great health, and your ability of manifestation very good, okay, in any of your desire, because there's a completely purity, there's a no block, there's a no nothing is there which is stopping you, right? But what happened here now when you started growing up? Here I'm just gonna take the example of more in love and relationship. So you saw some fight between your mother and father, and you started saying like maybe in love and relationship fights happen. This limiting belief, assumption. Maybe your teacher, okay, they said that she's your female teacher or your male teacher, they said certain thing about particular gender, that all men are cheater or all women are gold digger, okay. So now you start thinking in this way. Now this is here, okay, this impurity started coming here, right? Now maybe your friend said something that, oh, maybe your friend, he or she in a relationship, suppose she's a girl, and she said my boyfriend, he didn't give gift to me until and unless I do something for him, okay. Then you started maybe thinking that maybe if I want something from my boyfriend, from the guy, I need to do something for the person. Then this limiting belief more. And then over the period of time you come at 25 and 30, 35, so much is now there, like this, okay, that you started becoming like this. Now you learn manifestation from some person, so you decided that okay, I'm cleaning my hand. Okay, you learn manifestation from somebody. You decide, okay, now I'm gonna manifest, okay, this relationship. Okay, so you started bringing this positive thoughts, okay, you added this little bit positive thought, you added more positive thoughts, okay, more, okay. Maybe something started manifesting for you, you still did more, but still not much happened for you. And why? Because of this, because there's so much that is here, down there, okay, this dirt, which is, if you can see, it is down here, settle down, okay. So it is here, this much dirt. So that's why you are not able to manifest your desire easily. So much time is coming, you are affirming more, you're visualizing more, it is still not happening. For some people happening because the dirt is less than, okay. But in most of the cases that is not the reason, because if there is not a dirt much, okay, this thing, then you are not even going to require to do any manifestation. You are naturally gonna manifest your dream relationship and marriage. Just like my sister, she wanted to marry the particular kind of guy. My both elder sisters, okay, they both manifested their dream man. Why? Because there was not much dirt in here, okay. So they did certain thing, and then, I mean, without doing, I would say unconsciously people do it, and it happened because unconscious, because this dirt is your unconscious program, you are not even aware about it. And because the unconscious program are good, what is going to happen? Without doing anything, you manifest it. But if you are here, you are trying to do manifestation and all, it means you have dirt. That's why normally it was not happening. Okay, so you thought, okay, let me take certain help, okay, to make it happen. So it means it is here. Now some people say, okay, just to do this list method, or assumption stacking method, or 369 method, okay, any method you talk about. Okay, what it does, again, if there is gonna be less dirt, okay, it is happen very quickly. But if there is dirt around that particular thing, it doesn't happen that quickly. Okay, and then person think that why these things are not happening. Okay, and sometimes when you are manifesting, some people try to become even much more positive. They try to do in a way so their life become much more positive. Things started becoming much more positive. Okay, so they are like try to be happy all the time, even try to on their face they are, like this, okay, try to become happy, but inside your system is like not very happy. That's why they are not manifesting. Even they are technique, visualization, affirmation, different. Okay, here they are happy, they are doing everything, but it is still not happening, because you cannot make fool to the universe knows at the end, what is inside of you, that is what is going to manifest. Doesn't matter here how much you are doing. So when your inner system is vibrating with all of this dirt, okay, all of these programs, okay, this negativity is here, this is what dominating you. That's why we say some good people, why bad people manifest fast in comparison to good people. Okay, it is because bad people, what they are what they say they are from inside, like that. They do not feel guilt, they do not feel shame easily. They if they are feeling angry, they release their anger easily. They are like this. But good people are to impress other people, to make other people happy, they suppress everything. So when you suppress, things go down in your deep consciousness. Then you are trying to do your manifestation ritual, but it is not giving you the fast result, quickest result. Why? Because in your deep consciousness these negative things are there. So that's why it's extremely important that when you are doing your deep manifestation, okay, don't try to become this fake positive. Don't try to put this fake positivity. Let all the emotion come, let all the energies come. Go through that. When you're gonna learn to go through that, then your manifestation, it is gonna become extremely easy for you. You're gonna see that now all of your manifestation started coming so easily and so quickly, and everything started happening very quickly. Why? Because now you are not suppressing, you are letting this thing come. Even in my monthly coaching, when people come and I start coach them, I do not try to make them to become fake positive. Okay, I ask them, if you are feeling like cry. If you're feeling sad, be sad. If you're feeling angry, be angry. Do not try to become positive, like this fake positive, or try to put this mask of positivity or this goodness. No, be real you, because at the end you are going to manifest what is inside of you, not what you are doing just here. Okay, but what is actually in your body, because your body, that is unconscious mind. And if your body is constantly rejecting sometimes certain thing, then person find a struggle to assume it as if it is real. That's why there are certain coaches out there, they are saying, oh, you should avoid this thing, this nervous system thing, or you just say it and it is going to happen. Look, you're just going to say it is going to happen when you are saying, and you are really going inside of it. If it is not even going inside of you, how it is even going to happen? Look, I'm speaking from experience. I'm not somebody who just reads some book, or who by watching somebody's video I become hair coach. I'm speaking from a very strong foundation. I did so many experiments, and has so much experience around the manifestation, because I experimented even around the manifestation so much. I have noticed this thing, that when even the manifestation, I was try to become this fake positive at that time, it was not happen quickly, but when I let it go, I try to just living my life. I try to release whatever need to release, let my body come at the good place, my mind come at the good place. Naturally pathways started open, naturally things started happen. That's why when you not give too much importance to your manifestation, it happens quicker. Why? Because when you are not giving too much importance, okay, you are doing your work, and some process need to be processed. You're unconsciously doing your process, you're unconsciously releasing this program, okay. And when you're unconsciously releasing this program, it works. That's why, if you remember, in the previous session I shared with you in the graph which you might be seeing right now on the screen, that when this low side come at that time, when your this negative emotions are coming, this negative emotions, okay, this negative emotion, okay, you are like stirring up when you're manifesting. Sometimes your desire, they started stirring up, okay. So it started coming up because they are needed to clear out of it, so you can completely become like, okay, I'm making a solution for you, completely become like this, you and your desire. This is your desire, okay. In this pure consciousness, this is the fulfillment of your desire. But here, this is not fulfillment happening here because of this doubt. So how we clear out this thing? Okay, when on the screen right now, you can see the initial point, right? From the initial point, when you started going up, then this lower phase come. When this lower phase coming here, maybe you feel triggered, you see something in the 3D that your specific person is not behaving. Suppose here, if you get triggered, you started like, oh, it is not working, then what is going to happen? You are going to be here only, you are not going to be moved ever. But if you are like that, okay, fine, in the 3D it is happening right now, that maybe he is right now not behaving the way I want, but I know it is happening because inside of me it is done, and me and my specific person, we are together, we are happily married, or I'm super rich. You are suppose manifesting yourself to be rich, then you're gonna be here up, okay. And then you are doing feeling good, then again some phase come where you started feeling negative, then you see something or some thought come, maybe, oh, it is taking so much time, I think I should give up and all. Then again you are not going to move forward. But if you are not going to give up, okay, and here when every this low phase coming, you are clearing dirt out of you, then you're going to be above, okay. Then you are feeling good and positive. Then again maybe something, I think this is all bullshit, this manifestation is bullshit, okay. Manifestation is not good, it maybe doesn't, and maybe it is not working, okay. Then I think I should leave it all, or I should not do it anymore, okay. Then again you are not gonna move forward, maybe you're gonna come back. But if you're like, no, I know it is working, and it is gonna happen for me, I know it is gonna happen for me, you are now here. So this is how you clear this dirt. In that video, I'm calling it this grape juice. This is how you clear this grape juice out of your system. That's how you're gonna reach the final destination, where you have your desire, where you have this thing, the fulfillment of your desire. This is a fulfillment of your desire, okay. So this fulfillment of your desire gonna happen when you gonna support yourself and your desire. If you are not supporting your desire, okay, then it takes a lot of time, and sometimes it even doesn't happen. That's why I shared many times, people are manifesting, it takes many few years, like 3 year, 4 year, this kind of thing happen. Why? Because there is so much dirt, and since you are not doing your own work, then universe has to push you to really do this work, okay. So changes can come in you. Many people call it bridge of incident also, so you can have your desire. But if you want your process to make it faster, you need to support the universe, and that's how we reduce the size of bridge of incident, and that's how our desire, our manifestation, it happen fast, and we manifest it quicker, and things happen for us quicker, okay. I hope you got the point, you understand the point. And that's why I really emphasize people to do the inner work, because inner work really clear these stories which are here, you are suppressing. I mean, and these are unconscious, maybe you are not even realizing that these are here. So by doing your inner work, you release it. Sometimes I have seen in my monthly coaching, in my personal coaching, when I coach people, okay, they do not even realize, okay, that these things are I mean they have, but since they started taking coaching with me, I make them realize, look how you are thinking, look how you're behaving, look what is happening in you. Then they started becoming aware, oh my god, this is there, oh my god, this is negative program is there, and I was not even aware about it from such a long time, and that is why the desire was not even manifesting. So yeah, by doing this thing, you clear it, and your bridge of incident, it becomes shorter, and you manifest the fulfillment of desire very fast, very quick. And maybe if it has to take 1 year, it is gonna take 6 months. If it has to take 4 years, it is gonna take 2 years, because bridge of incident, it is gonna happen. In some it is small, some it is bigger, okay. But by doing the inner work, whatever the size of it, we can reduce it, because at the end all the bridges happen on the basis of, because there's a no time exists, we are shifting from one reality to another reality on the basis of our own assumptions, belief, energies, intention, okay, and the programming, perspective, all of these things which is inside of us. The more aligned you are of your desire, faster you get your desire. So become the alignment of your desire. When you're alignment, okay, because this is you, okay, and this is the paying is the fulfillment of your desire. So now you become one with that, you become the alignment of that, then it has to come in your reality, nothing and nobody. That's why we say once it is impressed upon your consciousness, on your subconscious mind, then it has to come. But the thing is, just because you are doing your visualization, just because you are doing affirmation, just because you are doing the scripting or any of the manifestation, maybe list matter, or maybe this assumption stacking, any of this thing, it doesn't mean it has impressed upon. It may be, but it doesn't mean that it is, okay. So that's why it is extremely important that you should give best from your side if you want something, okay. This is my personal way. When I want something, I give best from my side, okay. Whatever I can do, I do it, because I'm very stubborn kind of person. If I want something, I want something, and then whatever I need to do, I do. I do it. If I need to change my behavior, I need to bring change in my consciousness, in my thing, I do it. Why not? Okay, after all, it is making me a better person, better quality woman, then why should not? Even if I need to go somewhere to take classes of something to learn, I do it, okay. I don't like to be hyper independent person, okay. I take the support, I take if I need to take the support, and I really become the person. And that's why I have a very high success rate in my personal coaching. And in my personal coaching, whoever follow my guidance, they always get their desire, because I know what exact thing need to be done in order to get your desire. I know exactly what a person need to do in order to get their desire, okay. If they do it, they get it. If they don't do it, because some people they try to become the over smart, they don't do it. And so the thing is, it works, and you cannot bypass these negative program if you're not going to clear them around your relationship. Obviously you don't need to do 100%, but at least where this level of your positive impression is higher, okay. When this is going to happen, your desire is going to come. So that's why do it now, so later the problem is not going to come. That's why, you know, sometimes people get maybe married, then after 1 2 3 year, 4 year, 5 year later, the divorce happen, problems start coming. Why? Because of this negative program. Or maybe the negative program was not there, but somehow maybe because of the society, you talk to friend, you watch so many things, from there it comes in you. That's why it is now there. I hope it is clear, because I tried it to simplify for you all, okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon.